So, today we're going to build a merge. For the first step, we're going to add this piece, this large base, down like that. It can be facing forward or backward. It doesn't matter which way. So, next we're going to add this piece, we're going to add it here to the large base, and then for support we're going to add these pieces, the 3 tubes. Next, we're going to get this piece, this long swirly piece, and then we're going to add the bottom of it to the top of this piece, and the bottom of this piece will go to the top of this piece. So, but just in case, we are going to add a support over here. It has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tubes tall. Next, we're going to grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces again, and we're going to add them over here. And we're going to add the top entry over here. Now we're going to test it with this blue mark.